We will introduce the common tools needed for adjusting glasses. The use of these tools may vary slightly depending on the user. This plier has both sides covered in pads. It prevents scratches and is useful for adjusting the tilt angle of the glasses. This plier has only one side covered in pads. It provides excellent grip and is good for various uses. This plier has a thin, gripping surface. It is useful for delicate tasks such as adjusting nose pads. Most glasses-specific screwdrivers come in flathead and Phillips shapes. Use the correct tool based on the shape of the screw. Use a screwdriver that matches the shape of the screw. Make sure to align it properly before starting to work. Turn the hinge screw where the lens is located to the left to loosen it halfway and open the frame. Be careful not to lose the screw. Turn the hinge screw where the lens is located to the left to loosen it halfway and open the frame. Hold the replacement lens in place with your hand to ensure it fits properly in the frame. The frame of the steel brown glasses is very thin. Ensure that the frame is precisely positioned in the central groove of the lens. Then turn the screw to the right to secure it. Steel brown glasses use specialized nose pads. To remove the nose pad, use your thumb to gently lift and detach the upper part of the nose pad. When replacing, secure the upper part of the nose pad first, then push the lower part in to lock it in place. Ensure that the inside of the nose pad is fully attached to the nose pad arm. To check the balance first, open the glasses and set them upright to check for levelness. Ensure there is no twisting in the tilt angle. Then, check the levelness again with the glasses turned upside down. And when you fold the temples of the glasses, check their alignment to ensure they are level. This completes the basic balance check. When adjusting the tilt angle of the glasses temples, it is recommended to use two pliers. Secure the end piece and then make fine adjustments to the temples up, down, left, and right to balance them properly. After making adjustments, repeat the balance check as previously described. To fit the temples of the glasses, measure the length from the customer's face to their ears. Then, using both thumbs, apply inward pressure to bend the temples. Perform the same adjustment on the opposite temple. After fitting, always check the customer's comfort and identify any uncomfortable areas that may need further adjustment. When adjusting the nose arm of the steel brown glasses, use a thin-nosed plier. Use the pliers to grip the nose pad area and adjust it left and right. then adjust it up and down to fit the glasses to the nose properly.